Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to fulfill TikTok shop order. If you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So in here, you can see in here your seller center on TikTok. So what you can do is you can head over in here under the orders and it will expand the settings. So click on this manage orders right here. And if a buyer actually buys from your TikTok shop, what you can do is you can select on that particular order, pack it, and then once you have packed it, you should scroll up until you can see the shipping labels. So the shipping labels will actually be able to put in here. Once actually someone orders from you, you should be able to see it from here and you can just head over and print it. After you have done on your packing and on your shipping labels, click on the three dots, click on this fulfillment settings. Then once you have done that, you can see in here the order capacity settings. So click on this one and you can actually head over and then change the order handling capacity. Now in here you can see this collection method settings. You can actually change it by clicking on this pickup right here, and you can choose pickup or drop up right here depending on which one is more convenient for you. So for me, I'll just choose this pickup right here, so just head over and save this progress. Then once you have done that, someone will come to your door and they will pick up the packed parcel that you have with the printed invoice and waybill. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, and if you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!